So what's up everyone, I was at this car wash and well, we are getting out of this very tight spot and let's see how much margin do we have. Okay, little bit. Now we are gonna get out of here inshallah and check out how good the car actually looks right now. We need to straighten it up a little bit, and now wow, so close. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so it's time to leave this car wash. Hi Shanjan. Oh, not in reverse, it wouldn't work in reverse actually. Very good. So here we go, that car. Okay, it's far. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please reduce the temperature of AC.
Adjust it to 17.5.
Oh no, that is too low. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please adjust the AC temperature to 21. Why Shanjan? Why are you not responding? Hi Shanjan. Please help me. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please
Sure.
okay. Please increase please increase the temperature of the AC.
Increase to 20.5.
Please increase further. Please increase more. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please increase the AC temperature.
Increase to 23.5.
Good, okay. Please.
Sorry, this vehicle model does not support this function.
Please reduce the fan speed.
Adjust it to 5.
Okay, good. Yeah, now it's calm. Wow. This was funny actually. So now we are commuting back to Muhammadiyah from the place was on Makkah Road, and I think it's called Suleimaniya or what. I would actually like to just stay out, have dinner or something, but the thing is that I also need to actually have a shower, and then I might go out to eat or something. Let's see how it goes. But the car wash did a very fabulous job. I am actually quite excited about this. I might inshallah come again here in future, and the video that I took, I'll post it on their Google Map reviews. There's a hotel here. I could have just sit here in the lobby and sat here in the lobby and just worked from here, but anyways, right now I much rather go home, have a shower. We have 4 points by Sheraton over here. I actually, if I want to work, I usually go to hotels, and previously I used to go to the coffee shops, but actually they are quite rushy and there's a lot happening in the coffee shops. But anyways, this is the alternate. Okay, so there is some wait on this traffic light. The sun has already set. Over there in the distance there's some construction going on. I think it's possibly King Salman Park. Yeah, and we are gonna use the King Abdul Aziz Road. Let's see how much we can record. How much battery do we have? Seems like we could record 5-10 minutes. So these are the evening scenes here in Riyadh on a Saturday evening. That's the bus lane. Usually there is quite some dust on this part of the King Abdul Aziz Road because they have open area over here and there's huge piles of sand and soil. I would actually try to put this video on YouTube straight away actually. The drive here would have been actually quite captivating if the sun was still setting, but it's almost after Maghrib, so you know sun has already set. By the way, the car wash was quite economical. They did a lot of work and only took 35. Kudos to them. They were good people. The speed limit of this road is 90, I believe. What a cozy evening drive here in Riyadh. Thanks to all of you who support the channel. This is so much fun and I like to record videos when I go out in Riyadh, and it's been actually quite fascinating to be able to see how much I can record, how much I can do, even apart from having a full-time job. I honestly love making the videos, and check this out, the wonderful scenes of the King Abdul Aziz Road. Pretty smooth traffic here in Riyadh on a Saturday evening. You wouldn't face this sort of calmness in any normal day, but guess what, it's Saturday after all. So you see, I wanted to come into this lane. I was using the indicator, so the guy behind me, he actually took foot off his gas to slow down, and that's how everyone should drive here, because usually in Riyadh sometimes people just want to overtake. So like, let's say this car is coming through, and in case I don't wait for him and I want to go from here before him. So the thing is, if someone is in front of you and they are indicating, so it means that you have to give them the way. They might be in a very tight spot. They might be maneuvering to this lane to protect their car from some accident that might be up ahead. So you need to consider not to overtake from the right or from this right part of the road. The traffic light is open. Okay, what's this? Shoe Arena, they have 60% off. Okay, we'll see about that. I'm planning on going to some malls later, but we'll see. Not today, some other day. On this road, at this specific point, you have to be very careful. If it turns orange, just stop. Just stop. Most of the traffic lights here in Riyadh, they have radars to catch the violations. So better late than facing a fine. Now we are facing a little bit of traffic. A little bit or more. The traffic on that road seems to be actually not that much. King Abdullah Road.